in the Carboniferous era swamps of 350 million years ago, there are also tree ferns. There was one tree fern called Ceronius. When people found fossils from Ceronius tree ferns, often they didn't actually realize what parts the fossils belonged to. Now, here we have a picture of the leaf parts of the fronds of the Ceronius, and the actual fossil is here, and the leaves, you can see the leaf imprints on the fossil quite well. That's one side there, and there's more leaves on the other side too. And so this is a fossil that came from Betsanger in Kent. The fossils of the leaves were initially called Pacopteris, but with the Ceronius you can have fossils of the trunk, circular parts of the trunk like this, or the base of the trunk can look like that. There can be other bits of the trunk with leaf scars like that too. So you can have different parts of the tree giving different fossils. This Pacopteris leaf fossil from the Ceronius fern was found in Betsanger in Kent in mudstone, and I found this when I was probably about 7 or 8 years old, just looking through waste from a coal tip at Betsanger coal mine. Now, 350 million years ago, Kent in England was a hot swamp close to the equator. The trees had only evolved about 380 million years ago or so. Now, Ceronius was about 10 meters or about 30 feet in height, and it reproduced by spores, not seeds. For about 60 million years, dead trees fell into the muddy swamps here in Kent, in England, and formed layers of the coal. And these layers of coal were then started to be mined and dug up from about the 1920s or so here in Kent. So the fern fossils are quite common to find, and the patterns are quite nice too. This is the Pacopteris. There's another fern that has leaves that are a different shape, and they're called Neuropteris. Let's try and get one of those. This is a fossil here, which again came from Betsanger coal mine, and the Neuropteris, sort of small, yeah, that you can just about see. There's a fossil here of Neuropteris, which is a different type of fern, and they have much simpler leaves. When I first found these fossils, they almost looked like feathers. They were just single leaflets in the mudstone. But this is called Neuropteris, and these are called Pacopteris. But these are just fossils of leaves from different types of fern found in coal and mudstone from coal mines.